In 2012, Hurricane Isaac came through and decimated our family home with over 5 feet of water. When the floodwaters receded, all that was left was my mom and the couch. This is Mom v. Couch.
Alright, now September 22nd, I got the pillows off the couch. I gotta get it out this door. How do you think I'm gonna get it out this door? Let's see how we can get it out this door. Let's see how Mom can get it out the door. You think I can? Do 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 you think I can? Uh-oh. Alright, let's see if I can't get this couch out of here. Mom, let's see if she can get this couch out of here. I can't stand it anymore. It's full of mold. It's full of mildew and mold and contaminated. It's sitting here in this house for weeks now. The floodwaters have gone down 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Gotta get gloves. Need to get me some gloves on. Hope I don't get it stuck in the doorway. Oh God, all this mess. I hauled the blue couch out. I hauled all that other furniture. Well, I guess I should video and everything too. Start videoing all this crap I do. Look like I do anything. Now I'm gonna do it. You don't have nobody to do nothing to help you. What you gonna do? Maybe I can rip the pillows up. Have to take out some of it. Maybe I can cut it and tear it apart. Maybe I can do that. Maybe I could. Down to me. Hannah, don't come down here, baby. This is a mess. I'm gonna get stuck in the door.
Your phone says something. Your phone says something.
What?
Your phone says something.
What did my phone say?
I can't read it.
Where's it at? I'm filming.
Yeah, but watch, filming it, pull up something.
It's not filming?
It's still, I think it's still filming.
I think it's filming it.
It still is, but it's coming
Can
down.
you see me?
Yes, I can. Wait a minute. Yeah, I can see you. Just don't do anything right now. I just want to tell you to check the phone.
Let's see. I think I need to go out this way. Think about it. I don't have to worry about it. Mess it up. Hold on, I'm gonna get this couch out of here. Jesus, God help me. I just want it out of my house. I want it out of here. It stinks. Look at the mold. And he knows. He knows the couch has been sitting in here. Oh God, 3 sons. 3 of them. 3 of them. Somebody else needed help. Do something. They come down from Houston. They've done it before. We'll take it off. We'll help move people. We'll do things. We'll take it off. Yo, this is a major deal. No one needed some help. Never there for me. Never. When have they been there for me? Help. When? When have they been there to help? Tell me when. When have they been there to help, huh? God help me do it. Let's see. So go ahead now. Feed me some cats. Right now, I'm stressed to the max. Let's see. I think I need to go this way with the legs. Oh, there we go. I think there we go. Oh, yes. God, when there's a real person. I got the couch out. I got the big old couch out. I got the blue couch out. Thank you, God. Thank you.
Are you okay?
Not really.
What is the matter?
Woo, Jesus. Okay, now I'll get all the rest of this stuff. The big stuff is out. Over and out.